What sets these tables apart from the rest is how spacious they are. Each one is 30 inches tall with drawers that are 25.7 inches wide and 16.3 inches deep. Plus, you get a big 30 by 22 inch top. You can definitely put a good-sized lamp on top and it won't overwhelm the table. The two drawers give you plenty of space for nighttime essentials from books, glasses, any medications. They glide smoothly with full extension, soft close slides, so you can access everything silently without disturbing anyone. And I absolutely love the fluted design. Just the natural oak color gives it this calming and peaceful surrounding in your bedroom. Definitely a great find. Check them out. You will definitely like them.